Let's go, follow me. Oh no, this is a fail. I forgot to do that. Yeah, so this is a really nice section of the ride where we're going into the forest. Yep, a little bit bumpy, but as I said, our bikes can handle it. Alright, we're taking a little detour here, shortcut through the gravel path. Julia.
Hi.
Yep. Let's go. This way. Oh, watch out. Oh, crash, crash, crash. Watch out. Turn right. Right.
You're right.
Yeah. That's left, Lewis. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Back up to the car. Bring it up slowly. I'll start loading the bikes. Alright, we are here at the top of Unsworth Reserve family bike ride. We're gonna follow the trail all the way through to Albany and then come back. It's gonna be a fun ride. Alright? Let's go, follow me. Oh no, this is a fail. I forgot to do that. Okay, let's go. 앞으로 가거라. Alright. Don't get too far ahead. Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop. Ooh, this is perfection to me. Whether it's frozen cold or melting down my fingers, ice cream is such a treat that lingers. Ooh, give me some ice cream, a scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. Lewis, don't go on the pitch. They're playing baseball here. Or softball. Ooh, give me some ice cream. Also a baseball club. Nice. We're just riding right behind the baseball club here. Right by the Answorth Reserve. Or melting down my fingers.
Take a second. Matter of fact.
And people are warming up for a game. It's like a very fun game here.
A scoop of sweet, sweet, delicious ice cream. 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop more.
Right. So we started our run from the top of Answorth Reserve, but actually we could just park there by the car park where the field is, and it would have given us an easier to smell. It's a nice little convenient ride to get the bike up as well. So anyway, either or, this is where we're starting. Here we go. Just made a little detour to check it out, and it's actually quite nice here. Alright, so bit of a fail. I think I was supposed to start recording right at the start of our run, but I forgot to start the recording, so I missed out on it. But anyway, it's still good for a start, so hopefully we just go into it. Let's go, it's Julia running in front of me. The bike is shifting gears, so it's going to go uphill as well. No, this is your first bike ever shifts gears. Yeah, that's what I mean, this is your first bike. Even though you have been on the bike before, this is your first bike with gears, right? Yeah, the last bike didn't have it. It did? Yeah.
Mostly Tuesday, but sometimes Wednesday. Staying busy.
Yeah, you've been on it many times. Yeah, we just gotta follow the path. This is a nice review right here. We just it is a little bit yeah, lucky our bikes can handle it, eh? We have suspension, front and back.
probably about 3 or 4. Okay, it's perfect then. As long as you can pedal okay and it's not feeling it's too hard. This is a nice park here. Straight all the way to the reserve. Yes!
I want this park.
Yeah, so this is a really nice section of the ride where we're going into the forest. Yeah, a little bit bumpy, but as I said, our bikes can handle it. Nice wooden decking surface. We're riding along. A lot of nature here. A lot of trees. Yep, you can hear the familiar. We keep going until the end of this section. Tommy and Lewis are probably waiting for us at the end. And then we will cross the road. And then we go. Yeah, they better be. Otherwise there won't be any footage of them. And then we cross the road and down towards the tunnel, and then we go through the tunnel. It's quite fun, isn't it? Quite bumpy and fun. It's this grippy surface. It's not smooth, so that when it's wet and rainy you can still get some good grip. I told you they're waiting for us. Alright, let's go, they'll catch up, keep going. Just go right to the end and stop the foot of the road.
I'm gonna be the leader.
It'll be interesting to see how the camera comes out, the footage comes out from the camera, because it's mounted on my handlebar and with the bumpy surface it's shaking quite a bit, I can see, so the footage might come out a bit shaky, but we'll see. Watch out, be careful. Alright, time to dismount here. Gonna cross the road soon, we're at a crossing, there's cars here, so dismount and we'll carry our bike through. Alright, let's go. Yeah, to be safe. Alright, so this is a new construction we haven't seen before. Must be very recent. There's a new crossing here. Very safe, very obvious. Even handlebars for grabbing onto if you're riding your bike. We could try just using that next time. We can use the section, the green section here, and grab onto the bus before we cross. Alright, let's go.
What's a green section?
That's for the riders, I think, bike riders. For bike riders. Alright, who's feeling adventurous?
Me.
Alright, then we'll go down through.
No.
We'll go down through this way. Alright?
No. Oh no.
We'll go through the gravel way for those feeling adventurous. Right there. Alright, we're taking a little detour here, shortcut through the gravel path. We could have gone around the longer way through the concrete path, but it is a mountain bike, it's fine. So we can handle this, we can handle a bit more than this actually. It's not that bumpy, it's just gravel. Yeah, it's just little gravel, they're not actually rocks. Very, very easy, low grade mountain biking path here. On the slight bumps. There you have. This is a very easy, gentle bike path. A little bit of overgrown bush. Yep. I'm going slow, it's alright. It is a mountain bike, it's fine. You have suspension and big tires. Alright, you want to lower your gear now, uphill gears. You can dismount if you need to. Alright, I think we had a casualty. Someone's fallen off the bike. Probably Julia. Alright, we're back on flat land again, all good. And now we're about to go into the tunnel. Yeah, this will be exciting. Into the tunnel we go. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Alright, you can go in front if you want.
Yay.
Just don't crash into each other. Looks so cool. Look at all these lights. All the lights here in the tunnel. And echoing. Echo! Oh, put some speed. Gotta slow down again. Keep a safe distance. Give yourself time to react if the person in front slows down or stops. Yeah, go straight ahead. Yep. Really nice scenery. This is a great park. All the way from the top of Unsworth Reserve, over the road, through the tunnel, through this great park, and we're gonna go to another reserve. Turns up. We're gonna get the speed here, we're just going pretty quick. Alright, we're going to dismount at the top again, across the road. Yes, we are. Alright, let's go. So crossing the road. And then we're going to the mountain again. Let's go. Keep going. Into the reserve. Here we go. It's just to the left. Nice looking bike there, that Lewis. Good bike. The giant mountain bike. Mummy's on the Live mountain bike and Julia on the Live kids mountain bike. All front suspension bikes. Want some speed, catch up? Okay. Keep going. Alright, slow down, we're going to cross, just make sure there's no cars here. I'm going to stop in fact, because there is a car here. Oh, they're waiting us through, so thank you. This is another nice reserve. They've got, I think they've got a softball club here actually. So we went past the baseball club and now it's a softball club.
Yep.
And some football fields as well.
Yep.
See some football games. It's not really a club here, I don't think. Just fields. They probably have some matches here.
I can't stop
Right,
it.
so we're going to look
It's
carefully.
working, Dada.
Make sure there's no cars and we're going to cross.
The brakes don't work.
Really?
Yeah, look, Dada.
No, you're just pedaling backwards.
When we were younger, we thought
Look, there's a team warming up here, getting ready for their match.
Dada, look.
Yeah.
we can ride in 60.
Alright, you just gotta use your brakes. Really nice Sunday afternoon. Look at the weather, it's incredible. Can't believe it's the middle of winter. So nice and sunny. Yeah. So we've got a game of hockey here on the left. On the right, we're going soccer. I think it's half time. See the teams having the team talks. Go. This is where Lewis played his Zonday school football tournament a while back, playing for the Wara Intermediate School team. Now today they're playing football. Sunday, he's got watch now. Doing things.
Taking road trips, listening to your new mix.
A nice motorbike here, walking the path.
Setting fireworks off on the roof. I'm surprised we didn't burn my place down at the airport. You cried on my shoulder.
We'll have to stop soon. We'll have to stop at the end of the path before we get onto. Yeah, that's right. We'll just go a little bit further. We'll just turn around and go back at the end of the car park at the back. We also have to go to Sunnydog, so we don't want to tar ourselves up too much.
I saw cars here.
No? We have to go back to where our car is.
That's so long. There's gonna be so much uphill now. There's so much uphill now.
What? There's no uphill. This is not uphill. What are you talking about? Alright, so we have just gone past the reserve here. The Rosedale Reserve. And now we're just going to turn around and go back. Park does continue a little bit longer, but not much longer, so.
What's that?
We're going to turn around soon. Yep, it's what we do. We're going to turn around here. This is the end point for us, and we're going to turn around and go back to where we came. Let's do a U-turn. Alright. They turn around. It's like Uno reverse card. It's like a Uno reverse card. We have to reverse back now. Recording.
Respect the challenge. Gotta win every time. That's how we keep it balanced. 1,000 miles of running. That's how the feet get callous. Work hard, play harder. Never skip the practice. Make you feel it in your soul when I release this passion. It's not about what you're saying, we all about that action. We ready, mistakes, doubts, crazy thoughts weighing heavy. Made it through, now we party with confetti. I was sent to lock the game, I was told to spit the flames, devour who remain, put them all to shame. I'm coming for that crown, distinguished with the sound. Oh yeah, we ready now, we ready now. I was sent to lock the game, I was told to spit the flames, devour who remain, put them all to shame. I'm coming for that crown, distinguished with the sound. Oh yeah, we ready now.
Continue on our merry way. Back to our car. And then we're gonna go to some of the Alright. Let's go.
Why doesn't it show me on the camera when I do?
Well, it's just showing the front.
Let me
Let's
do
look at the
it.
front, Julia.
Hi.
Yep. Let's go. Keep the safe distance.
Never have stepped in, we stay committed. Lock it and seal it, I promise you they gon' feel it. Everything is just meant to be, this is bigger than you and me. Time to crank it up, we don't sleep, that's the enemy. Everything just meant to be, this is bigger than you and me. Time to crank it up, we don't sleep, that's the enemy. I was sent to lock the game, I was told to spit the flames, devour who remain, put them all to shame. I'm coming for that crown, distinguished with the sound. Oh yeah, we ready now, we ready now. Oh yeah, we ready now, we ready now. Oh yeah, we ready now, we ready now.
Probably 6 times back. No, no.
It's go time,
Watch out, crash. Watch out.
it's go
Right.
time,
Right. Yeah. Let's go. Even more right.
it's go
Right.
time.
No, let's go.
Let's go. We stepping into the room. Y'all feel the energy boom. Enemies doom. We set them in like a tomb. Spectators safely assume we are the winning team. Got our eyes locked on that victory. Give it all and the rest is history. We the best and there ain't no mystery. No mystery. It's go time. The whole time. It's show time. Let them know time. It's go time. The whole time. It goes time. Let them know time. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Suited and ready to ride. Feel the adrenaline rise. Focusing in on the prize. No backing down from the fight. You better run for your life. We came to win, so let the showdown begin. Channel the power within. Getting up under their skin. Enemies looking so grim. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. We are the champions. It's go time. It's go time. The whole time. It's show time. Let them know time. It's go time. The whole time. Scoring goal time. Let them know time. It's go time. The whole time.
It's alright, just carry her up.
It's show time. Let them know time. It's
Back up to the car.
the
Bring it up slowly. I'll start loading the bikes.